Okay, so much information just came upon my screen. This is going to be a fun video. Welcome back to another ZT Global project review. Today we're talking about SuperRare. I just went on Twitter to check out their page and I realized that Twitter is introducing NFT profile pictures. So digital items that you own, you have to connect your wallet and essentially they will be displayed in a hexagonal shape. So if Twitter is getting into NFTs, I believe crypto is just going to explode at some point. You cannot deny it anymore. We're talking about SuperRare today, almost 300k mark in terms of followers on their Twitter page. They are promoting the crypto art market, not only NFTs, but actual artwork. For example, you can see this AE 3.0 Regenesis by Playboy X Miranda Makarov. It's a beautiful piece of art. I'm not sure if this is suitable for YouTube. I hope it is, but the auction is ending 3 hours and 21 minutes from now, and essentially this is what the whole Rare project is about. So these guys are allowing you to buy and sell NFTs from the world's top artists, and you can see the list price, you can bid on them, you can auction your own NFT, and a lot more. They're promoting the future of art collecting, so you can browse and build your collection of the world's most cutting-edge digital art, pioneering art market royalties. So they have a very nice system in place with the actual SuperRare token that is there to reward creators and make the whole system sustainable and going into the future, right? Longevity. All of the transactions are happening on-chain, creating a tamper-proof record of each artwork's history so that nobody can mess with it in the future. Now, I will be covering the Rare token itself, but I wanted to talk about this profile picture right here because these guys have a hexagon, but is this a NFT? Is their profile picture an actual NFT? Oh, it actually is. So these guys are already up to date right here. Twitter is very fast catching on to these things and it's very nice to see. Now I recommend you give these guys a follow on their Twitter page before we continue because they are very active and they are releasing the latest NFT releases if you want to actually snag a piece of art for yourself. If you want to purchase the Rare token itself, you can head on over to ztb.im. You can open your mystery box first and then just go onto the trade section and very simply type Rare if you want to purchase it. But a little bit more about the token itself, going into the token page, it's the Rare token and it is a curation token, right? So essentially you have the influence over the diversification and over the whole growth of this whole platform. So the token is there not only for the users, not only for trading, but it's there for the DAO as well. So the Rare token and the community is right there, allowing you to curate the platform and create it as of how you want to create it yourself as a creator. So it's there to influence and reward creators of these NFTs and pieces of art, and that is what the token is made for primarily. But they're also creating a full-on next generation NFT platform. So they evolved around these centrally curated platforms with a single minting contract, making everything very efficient and very fast. Now, SuperRare Spaces are a different breed. They're independently curated storefronts designed to help promote artists and create a diverse art ecosystem. So it's a win-win for all. It's a win-win for the people purchasing art. It's a win-win for the artists and obviously the people standing by on the side and looking at these beautiful pieces of art. As you can see on their Insta page as well, there's a lot of really interesting stuff, and this is more so an art collection or an art exhibition rather than just simple NFTs, because the NFTs are basically you can get a Mona Lisa of the real world, and you can get it in the virtual world, which makes NFTs get a whole other meaning, and it's simply moving art from the real world into the virtual one. So definitely something that is it's a very interesting way of looking upon NFTs themselves, but also the future of the web belongs to creators. So these guys made the token believing that creators should actually be rewarded for all the effort and time they put into creating these beautiful pieces of art. So that's one other use case of it. And you have this Rare drop right here. So 50% of the total Rare supply to the community of artists and collectors will be actually given away, right? So you can be a part of the network, begin shaping the future of digital art with SuperRare. Also, you will be able to, make decisions using the DAO, and they will have a DAO treasury as well, where Airdrop tokens will be claimable for the next 90 days, after which all of the unclaimed tokens will be put into the treasury to be used by the community, voted on what it's going to be used in the future. A lot of cool stuff right here. I definitely recommend you follow these guys on their Twitter. Check out the Instagram as well. And lastly, if you want to actually purchase the token, make sure to head on over to ZT on the trade segment right here and just type rare. But another very nice thing to see is the newest listed coins on on ZT Global, right, where the team is very fast to list everything on the market, including the Ape coin that only released a few days ago, and the ZT team was absolutely rapid with it, releasing it right away. Quite a big volume right here, but you can see this is Ape Bear and Ape Bull. It's leverage trading, so be careful when doing that. Now that's pretty much it for today's video. This was SuperRare. You can head on over to the website and check out all of these beautiful pieces of art. And lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest in crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So thank you all for joining in for another video, and I will see you guys in the next one.